A very lovely good morning to all the NEET MDS aspirants 2025. Well, this is Dr. Pooja, your original guru of biochemistry, and I will be coming live to take your class on 11th of February, that is Sunday. And please note down this time in your diaries, 10 to 4 p.m. I will be discussing proteins and amino acids in biochemistry. And a good news for all of you that this class is free for all. And all of you can access this class on DBMCI app live, right? So coming over to the topics, this time I will be discussing proteins and the amino acids, their chemistry, and all those questions which have been asked in the previous years. And yes, and I will be focusing on the clinical cases also. So guys and girls, don't forget to attend the class. Please note it down. Again, I am reminding you, this class is free for all. So see you guys on 11th of February, 10 to 4. Bye-bye. Take care.